Hey guys, welcome back to Jibber Reviews, and I hope you guys are enjoying your day and you're ready for another quick update about the new upcoming smartwatch from Samsung, which is most likely going to be named the S4, although the Galaxy Watch name is still a possibility as well. So a couple leaks were released this week about two possible enhancements to the next smartwatch, and if the rumors are true, actually I think both of these would be welcome additions. The first information revolves around the design of the S4, and it's a reduction in the thickness of the case. And this reduction is possible because Samsung will now be utilizing what's called a panel level package, or PLP method, to assemble the application or processor board. Now, I was able to find a detailed article about this process, and I'm actually going to include the link in the video description just so you can check it out. But basically, the gist of the PLP method is it's more efficient and there's a greater cost savings as well during the assembly process. So the overall result is a reduction in the size of the board, which would then allow for a thinner design of the watch. Now, I know many customers have called for a thinner design, not only to the S3, but smartwatches in general. And with Samsung adopting this new assembly method, it seems to suggest that this is one enhancement that we're most likely to see in the S4. And the second piece of information that was revealed this week came from a well-known Chinese leakster that stated that the Gear S4 will support a larger battery. And actually in his post he says the Gear S4 will come with a 470 rated power pack battery, which is a significant increase over the S3's 380 rating. And anyone with an S3 knows very well about the battery issues that have plagued the S3, particularly since the Tizen 3.0 update that they rolled out last fall. So an increase in battery power would certainly be a welcome enhancement to many users, but I should say that is, of course, as long as it's not negatively impacted by a future software update. So what do you guys think? Are these latest rumors about a thinner design and improved battery life enough improvements for you to consider purchasing an S4? Or would you need to see something more substantial such as new features or functionality? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll continue to keep you guys posted as more information is released because, like I said, I think the hype about the S4 is only going to get crazier as we enter the summer season, so stay tuned for more. Okay, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you could share this video and to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me keep the channel going so I can continue to offer you guys discounts, giveaways, and fresh content. And if you want to be notified when the newest video is just released, then just click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care.